How to fix audio in Destiny 2. So the first thing that you want to do is type in sound right here, then go to sound mixer options. So here in the output, make sure that your speakers or your headphones are selected. Now try to see if it works. If it doesn't work, type in control panel. From here, go to hardware and sound and then change system sounds. Go to playback, select the speakers or the headset that you're supposed to be using, right click, go to properties, here go to advanced, and change the quality and see if it works for you. Now if it still doesn't work, go to spatial sound and make sure that this is turned off. And there you go. That's how to fix audio in Destiny 2. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.